Hey guys, so it's JJC. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Dance with JJC. I'm going to teach you guys some dance moves. Today's dance move is called Summa Bounce. Summa Bounce. Summa Bounce. If you're interested in that, definitely stick around. Okay, you guys, so as usual, I always tell you guys to warm up. It's important for everybody to warm up before you try any exercise or any kind of dancing, anything that's going to be using, you know, large groups of muscle or whatever the case. Like, just stretching and warming up is just beneficial. All right, and don't forget, you guys, water. I promise you, I had this for a good while. I didn't just get it just to match the ensemble, but yeah, it just happens to be blue. And I don't know if you guys are interested, but this is by the brand Cool Gear. What I like about it is that it actually has a covering for the straw, and that's really good for, you know, keeping germs and stuff away. And then you just open it and pull it out, and refreshing. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just really like this jug, and I haven't seen anything like it, so yeah. Then I'm going to break down the look a little bit. So because I have a vast wardrobe, like just different stuff, and I've had some pieces for like a very long time. These things I made. This I got for a good while. I never wore it. These socks I've had for a long time when American Apparel was around. I also, these Air Force Ones I've had for, I don't know, a year and a half, maybe 2 years, from a Foot Locker. And yes, this accessory I've had for a long time as well. That's if you guys care to know. I mean, none of this stuff is really around anymore. Do for like warm-ups, if you already have a warm-up regimen that you stick to, that you do for yourself, then by all means use it. But I do enjoy doing some of the same warm-up or stretches in my other videos. So this one I really like to do. I'm not a doctor, I'm not licensed to give you any kind of diagnosis or advice on any of that stuff. So if it's really hurting you, do not go any further, okay? Do not overexert yourself. Yeah. Shoulder roll, like this one too. You can also like just push back. So, okay, then lead into jumping jacks. Okay, then out to this one, jogging on the spot. Okay, jogging on the spot. Okay, back to jumping jacks. You want to get that heart pumping. You want to get that blood flowing. To get your muscles warmed up, right? Okay, stretches. This one's good. Right here. Okay, so I'm not going to go into too much depth with the warm-up, but that's essentially it. And just warm up any other parts that you feel like are really stiff. Alright, you guys, so here we go. Let's learn Summa Bounce. Alright, so I'm going to show you just the foot part and then we're going to do the arms. It does consist of a full body movement. And here we go. So the leg movement is repetitive, but it should be pretty simple. So here we go. So essentially, it's like this. You're going to put your leg in front, kind of like diagonal. Okay, and you're going to land on the heel. You're going to hit it with the heel here. Alright, so this is kind of similar to Pond the River. Okay, you'll see once I show you. So left foot and crossed over diagonally with my foot, like my toes in the air, pointed in the air. Then the other side. So land, do the same thing here. Okay, see my toes are pointed out and I'm going to hit my heel on the ground. Okay, to come together and do it again. Here and here. Okay, so you're just going to do that repeatedly, one side to the next side. Okay, and that's the foundation for the leg moves. So if you guys haven't watched the Pond the River video, it's very much similar to this. Pond the River, the hand movements are different. Okay, and Pond the River is like more of a bounce. But anyways, I don't want to confuse you guys. So this is what it is. Cross and cross. Okay, so practice that. And then we're going to add in the arms. So when we cross over our leg to here, our arms are going to come up, but kind of leave kind of like a angle right here. It looks kind of like a triangle space there. Okay, then you're gonna drop it here and go up to here. So it's like closed fists. It's not tight, it's just like a, you know, just a semi-loose fist here. So then it's gonna, and you're not dropping it all the way down, like you're kind of leaving it like waist, like your arm is still kind of bent. Okay, like here. And then you're going to get ready for the next side. Okay, so like so, here, drop, here, drop, or here and up. Okay, so my arms come up to about my mouth, about, or my chin. Okay, so as you can see, when I get ready for the next one, like my arms get kind of open to come up. Okay, so it's not like down here and it's not like up here. It's kind of like just a middle ground where it's comfortable to kind of get ready. Boom. Okay, close and open, close, open, close, open. Okay, so this move could go to, you know, different kind of songs and different tempos. If you do it fast, right? You can do it slow. Okay, like that. Depending on, you know, the genre and the speed of the song. Alright, and then as your leg goes in front, you can also like kind of push up your hips so it can be kind of sexy. You know what I mean? Like, as if you want to make it look sexy, you don't have to make it look sexy. You could just make it look normal and just, you know, simple, kind of effortless, like, what's up? So that, my friend, is called Summa Bounce, Summer Bounce. All right, and I really enjoy that move because you could do a variation. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this dance tutorial on learning the Summa Bounce. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And turn on that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl, JJC. Toodles.